The daily code snippet.
There are additional attributes that work with the video element. With the controls attribute, you add video and audio playback control for the user. This is a critical addition for those with epilepsy. You can use the default browser interface or create a custom interface, but at a minimum, the user must be able to start, stop, and adjust the volume of the video. Width and height can be controlled by attributes or with a CSS. In either case, the video will maintain its aspect ratio or native width to height ratio. If the size you set does not match the video's aspect ratio, it will fill the space horizontally and add any additional space that will be given a default background color. By adding the autoplay attribute, the video will automatically play while the web page is loading. This is discouraged because most users find it annoying. With the loop attribute, your video will restart playing after it finishes. This is also considered annoying and should be used with a good reason in mind. The mute attribute will play with sound off by default. The poster attribute allows you to display a still image prior to the video being played. This is a splash screen that entices your viewer to play your video. The preload attribute is used to help buffer large files. This means that it begins to download a certain amount of data from your media file prior to playing the media so that the media plays smoothly. You can select 3 values: none, auto, and metadata. None does not buffer the file. Auto buffers the media file, and metadata buffers only the metadata. We will look at some of these attributes in use and discuss other ways to handle video next time.
Presented by Designers Learn Code.